between the peoples of today and of yesteryears.
Yes.
The people of yesteryears were moral. The people of today are immoral. That is the very reason why our country is sinking.
I agree.
Oh, wala na tayong kultura. The only strength that we can derive from is from our own culture. The Filipino culture, where is that? Oh, the culture of Jose Rizal, Bonifacio, and others. So what can you say about that? Is it, can you blame Christianity? Can you blame because there are bad Christians now? Or because there are more Christians now, no? But I think it's not Christianity, it's not religion, it's our culture talaga. The Filipino culture.
I wish you were here when I wish you were here earlier so you could hear what I shared.
Yes, I'm sorry I was late.
Totoo po yun, may matutunan talaga Pilipino. Pero like I said, what is a civilization? Civilization is the embodiment of culture, tama? Culture is the collected habits. The collected habits, the way we do things, the way we, diba? Yun ang kultura natin.
Ang culture, in my opinion, is the general expression of our people.
Correct.
The general expression of our people.
Correct. And, ang ano kaya lang kasi, sir, bago po tayo, bago po dumating ang Espanyol, we were simply islanders, mga barangay. Hindi pa naman natin inabot yung estado ng feudal eh. So, hiwa-hiwalay tayo. So, ang kultura talaga natin, kung isip-isipin mo, kaya tayo may Tatay Ligo, kaya tayo may Apo BBM. Kasi nga, sanay tayo sa maliliit na barangay. But, as a people, hinulma tayo. Ang unang humulma sa atin is Catholic Spain. And we were all gathered. We began to make us into a new polity, a new political structure. And we were tinatawag ito, di ba? Pinagkukuha yung mga tao sa mga barangay, inilapit, ang tawag yan, baho de Campanilla, under the bell. Kumbaga, hindi ba may mga esquadro, tapos yung andun yung simbahan, andun yung bahay ng ano, doon tayo hinulma. We began to invite the Spanish Catholic culture. So kaya nga sinabi ko, we became Christian without knowing Christ. We became Christian without knowing Christ. Ngayon sana magbibigay sa atin ng moralidad. Ngayon dumating naman ang mga Amerikano, dati kilala nila si Kristo, pero pagdating sa atin, sila naman ang lumapastangan sa atin. We did not see Christ in them. So tama kayo, I agree. Kasi hindi nga natin kilala kung sino tayo. But technically, hindi ito yung position ko. We should be like Israel, a people born by their devotion to God. Kasi before that, we were just mga animists. But now that when we became a people, a nation, actually we are a very young nation. And actually, that's why I'm very, very hopeful about the nation of the Philippines. Sa paniwala ko po kasi is, murang-mura pa ating pag-iisip. We are simply being formed. We are being formed right now into a great nation. We just have to come to a place where we just appropriate who we are. And whether you like it or not, we are Filipinos who are in Christ. Because otherwise, you're Pampangos, you're Tagalogs, you're Cebuanos, very regionalistic lang tayo. Wala tayong Filipino identity. The first Filipino was Jose Rizal, tama kayo. He was the one who wanted us to be known as Filipinos. But before that, there were Filipinos. But these were not Indios like you. Filipinos were those Spaniards who were born in the Philippines. Those were the Filipinos. Yeah, they're not even mestizos. They simply are born in the Philippines. So they were called Filipinos. Ngayon, ang nangyari, gusto natin, sina Bonifacio, said, tayo yun, but it was Rizal, said, tama kayo. From Luzon all the way to Sulu, we are Filipinos. Siya yung una nagsabi na, yung mga tayo ang Pilipino. So we are technically young. And we should give ourselves some slack. And that gives me hope, sir. That really gives me hope. And we are unique in the sense that our culture really is centered in Christ. As a polity. Kasi lumundag po tayo eh. Lumundag tayo from a barangay, hindi tayo dumaan ng feudal, naging isang bayan tayo. democratic pa man din, grabe binigay sa atin ng mga, we're given all this. Para tayong 8 anyos sa binigyan ng motorsiklo. Alam mo, hindi natin alam kung paano i-maneho. Pero, it doesn't mean, because maybe God is wanting us to really live or turbocharged. So, I agree, sir. So, I would say, I propose, you may not agree, that's your privilege. But my point is that our true culture is truly in Christ. And we should appropriate that. And we should think that for ourselves. And not just let it pass. We cannot blame the past. We cannot blame the future. We can only be responsible for now. And now we can make a decision.